Because Blueshift is built on the Milkomeda sidechain for Cardano, you will need to bridge assets over, such as ADA, over to the Milkomeda side of things, and then you'll be able to use it on the Blueshift decentralized exchange as wrapped ADA, or Milk ADA as it's known in the Milkomeda ecosystem. Now, the Blueshift team have put together a really easy to use bridge on their DEX itself. Now, if you just go to the DEX, app.blueshift.fi, and then click on bridge in the top navigation there, you'll be able to go through and connect your Cardano wallet and your EVM wallet to start this wrapping process. So here I will connect my NAMI wallet in this case, and I can see my balance of my wallet appear, and I will select 10 ADA to bridge over to Milkomeda. Now here I will need to connect my EVM based wallet. In this case, I've got MetaMask, so I'm going to connect that one there. The prompt will come up and I can select my account. And if this is your first time connecting to Blueshift on Milkomeda, it will ask you to switch networks. In this case, it will switch you over from whatever network you're on over to Milkomeda Cardano C1. So I'll click on switch network. You'll see a prompt come up and it will tell you what you're switching from and where you're switching to. So you confirm that message, switch the network, and the DEX will refresh itself. And there we go. So you can see it's just refreshed my balance there. So I'll type in 10 ADA again. It do its little calculation. Now there is a tiny little bit of a fee when you do move your ADA over. You've got transaction fees and whatnot. So 0.28 ADA gets taken away, and I can see the estimated arrival time here. Let me just zoom in for you, is about 5 to 15 minutes to be able to process this particular transaction. So everything here looks good to me, and I will click on bridge. Just check my transaction here, make sure I'm all happy with this, that looks good too, and then start the bridging process. So that would execute the transaction on the Cardano side. So I'll just need to sign for that particular transaction. And away it goes. So this will take you through the various steps here. So first off, it will start to bridge those assets over and then wrap them on the Milkomeda side and then add them to your Milkomeda wallet. So this will take between 5 and 15 minutes, depending on chain congestion on the Cardano side to submit that transaction. And then once it gets over to the bridge, it's usually fairly fast and it will tick over in a few moments. So we'll just watch this one go ahead. Great, and it's just progressing through onto step 2 now. So now that it's executed that transaction on the Cardano side of things, it's now bridging my assets, that 10 ADA to the 9.9 Milk ADA. And that would just take a little bit longer. And there we go, it's ticked over. So step 3, step 2, step 3 are all complete. And I can immediately see here in my Milkomeda balance that it's gone from 86 to 96 wrapped Milk ADA on the Milkomeda side of things. And now I can participate in DeFi on the Blueshift decentralized exchange. Real quick, real easy process for wrapping your assets over from Cardano over to Milkomeda. If you like this video tutorial, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have a lot more video tutorials around DeFi and crypto as well.